We are pleased to show you the 2021 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, privacy glass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.